Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a pattern with 8 increases when you need 10 or 12 increases to make a flat and firm bottom. Most people need more than 8, but unfortunately all the patterns are with 8 increases because there is no program to make patterns with 10 or 12 increases. This pattern has 8 increases. I divided it with the black lines in 8 equal parts. Let's look at 1/8 of the pattern. When you do 10 increases, you repeat this part 10 times. When you do 12 increases, you repeat this part 12 times. So, when the bottom is finished, you will not have 8 yellow diamonds, but 10 yellow diamonds when you increase 10 times and 12 yellow diamonds when you increased 12 times. There is one thing that's a little bit different when you do 10 or 12 increases. If you would start with 10 stitches or 12 stitches in the magic circle, the circle will not completely close and then you will have a little hole in your bottom. So that is why when you do 10 increases, you start with 5 stitches in the magic circle. Then the next round you increase to 10 stitches. These 2 rounds count as the first round. So when you increase to 10, then you start with the second round of the pattern. When you do 12 increases, you start with 6 stitches in the magic circle, increase to 12, and that counts as the first round. So when you have 12 stitches, you continue with round 2. Some patterns can only be divided in 4 equal parts, like this one. Also with the black lines, I marked the 4 equal parts. Let's look at 1/4 of the pattern. When you need 10 increases, you will repeat this part 5 times. When you need 12 increases, you will repeat this part 6 times. So, when it is finished, you will not have 4 yellow diamonds, but with 10 increases you will have 5 yellow diamonds, and with 12 increases you will have 6 yellow diamonds. Thank you for watching.